This is my collection of I Love Toy Trains DVDs. I used to have my older I Love Toy Trains videos, but these ones have required virtually no maintenance. And then I have exactly the same as my collection, but except the I Love Toy Trains music video. But let's review those. This is my I Love Toy Trains box sets, and inside there are 5 DVDs. I have parts 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, 11, and 12, plus the final show. Next there's I Love Lionel. Oh no! And I Love Big Trains, parts 1, 2, and 3. And here's something extra. I have a TM catalog. So here are the shows I've never seen before. Is a final show and an I Love Big Trains part 3. I hope you like my collection. Thanks for watching. Bye.